In the world of custom motorcycles, where creativity meets mechanical artistry, few builders capture the essence of timeless design like Meister Engineering. Based in Geneva, Switzerland, this workshop has carved its name into the custom scene through impeccable craftsmanship and a passion for BMW's iconic boxer engines. Founded by Antoine Meister, with his close collaborator Mathieu Dimier, Meister Engineering has built a reputation for blending classic inspiration with modern precision. Their latest creation, a reimagined BMW R GS Scrambler, is a perfect example of Swiss elegance transformed into a rolling masterpiece. The project began with a 1990s BMW R GS, a dual-sport legend known for its rugged durability and off-road capability. Upon arrival at the Meister workshop, the bike was stripped down to its bare essentials. Every piece of stock bodywork was removed, leaving behind only the bones of the machine. From there, Antoine and Mathieu reshaped the motorcycle into a minimalist, refined scrambler that pays homage to vintage trials bikes. The transformation started with the frame, which was cleaned up and re-engineered for a more balanced stance. The original subframe was removed and replaced with a custom looped version, handcrafted to perfection. Sitting atop the new structure is a sleek black leather saddle, adding both comfort and understated luxury. Behind it, an aluminum rear fender supports a circular LED taillight, a small yet stylish touch that reinforces the bike's modern meets classic aesthetic. One of the most striking features is the full chrome-plated frame, reflecting the kind of meticulous attention to detail that defines Meister Engineering. The rear suspension was upgraded with a fully adjustable Wilbur shock absorber, ensuring the Scrambler rides as beautifully as it looks. Up front, the forks were rebuilt and fitted with a high-mounted aluminum fender, giving the bike a tough, purposeful stance. A new fuel tank, originally from a vintage Honda, was reshaped and perfectly fitted to the BMW's frame. The design feels so natural that you think it was made specifically for the R80. Above the front wheel, a retro-styled headlight encased in a chrome bezel enhances the nostalgic charm while maintaining practical illumination. Performance hasn't been ignored either. The front brake system was completely overhauled with a refurbished Brembo caliper gripping a 320mm rotor, connected via a braided stainless steel line to an upgraded master cylinder for sharp, responsive stopping power. The cockpit area is intentionally minimalist, featuring a wide handlebar equipped only with essentials. A single Motogadget Motoscope Kaini speedometer sits neatly between the steering neck and gas tank, delivering just the right amount of information without clutter. Underneath the elegant exterior lies an engine that's been thoroughly revitalized. Meister Engineering fitted a Siebenrock big bore kit to the Boxer Twin, along with upgraded cams, a lightweight flywheel, and precision tuning for optimal performance. Completing the package is a custom stainless steel 2-in-1 exhaust, hand-fabricated in-house, to give the bike a throaty growl that perfectly matches its rugged demeanor. The finishing touches come in the form of dual-purpose tires that preserve the GS's off-road spirit, and a timeless monochrome color palette combining black, chrome, and polished metal. The result is a bike that effortlessly merges sophistication with power, a machine that looks just as good parked in a gallery as it does carving through mountain passes. Meister Engineering's BMW R GS Scrambler is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of craftsmanship, heritage, and individuality. It embodies the spirit of Swiss precision and the passion for performance, standing as a testament to what happens when artistry and engineering move in perfect harmony.